In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sync your contacts so TikTok can suggest friends instantly. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines at the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy, then tap Privacy. Now select Sync and suggest Facebook friends. At the top, toggle on Sync Contacts. TikTok may ask you to open your phone's settings. If it does, tap Contacts and choose Allow Full Access and tap Allow All Access so TikTok can read your contacts list. Once that's done, go back to TikTok. Tap your profile again, and then tap the person icon at the top left or top right. This will open the Find Friends page. At the top, tap Contacts in green. Now you'll see a list of everyone in your phone contacts who has a TikTok account. From here, you can follow, add, or invite anyone you know. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching.